fortnight, I meet up with my friends and we get to have a potluck dinner together. This tradition is very special to me, and tonight is the first time after lockdown we get to see each other again. I often take this rice dish with me, which is mild and fragrant, and they love it. So today I'm going to share the recipe with you so you can make it while you are entertaining and enjoy it with us. We need 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, some cinnamon, fennel seed, bay leaves, ginger garlic paste, and finely chopped carrots. We will also need some finely chopped onions, some green chilies, cashew nuts, and mint that I've collected from my garden, and a lemon. This recipe also calls for clarified butter, which I'll be showing you how to make with unsalted butter. We will also need a carrot. I can teach you how to make this beautiful carrot bird that you can garnish your dish with. To make the clarified butter, also known as ghee, I'm going to melt unsalted butter in a heavy bottom pan on low heat. The butter will begin to melt. You will see the milk solids separate and slowly start to sink. Continue to simmer the butter over medium-low heat. Make sure not to take your eyes off the butter. It will quickly begin to change to a golden color. When you see this change and smell a toffee-scented aroma, it's time to turn off the heat and remove the pan from the stove. Time for the milk solids to settle down. And now I'm going to transfer it to a container where I will be storing my ghee. There you go, as simple as that. Add 3 large spoons of ghee into a heated pan. To this we're going to add our aromatic spices. This will infuse our rice with flavor. So first I'm going to start with fennel, cardamom, cloves, and bay leaf, and I'll wait for the spices to infuse the flavor. We're going to wait till our aromatic spices are nicely toasted in our ghee, and then I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. Wait for the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste to disappear, and then we can put in our rice that has been soaking for half an hour. Now add the soaked rice into our pan. And stir it till all the grains of rice are nicely coated with the flavors that's been infusing in the ghee. I'm going to slit our green chilies lengthwise, and I'm going to add it to our rice. This will give us the heat to the rice. Be sure to stir it gently so you don't break the grains of rice. Now we're going to add water to our dish. The ratio to use is 1.5 cups of water to every cup of rice you use. So I have used 3 cups for our dish today, so I'm going to add 7.5 cups of boiling water. The reason I use boiling water is that the shorter the cooking time, the longer the grains you will get. To this, add some salt to taste. Now add our toasted rice into the rice cooker. When the rice is almost cooked, add finely chopped carrot and mint leaves, and this adds color to our rice. For garnishing, I'm going to add some ghee in a small pan and fry the cashew nuts till they turn golden brown. Then I'm going to add some onions and a little bit of salt to make the onions brown faster. When the onions turn golden brown, turn off the flame and you can use this to make our bird's nest.
Serve it in a nice bowl by fluffing it out gently like that. Now sprinkle the cashew nuts that we've toasted, and then I'm going to make a nest on top of the rice with the onions that we have fried. Now we're going to make a carrot bird sit on the nest.
To learn how to make this garnish, check out my carrot bird tutorial. And voila, the magic's happened.